Hello everyone, hi, this is Kanu Bhutani here and welcome to my blog. Today is Maximo part 9 and today we will be discussing on work management status flow control. Now what is this work management status flow control? In MAM, the embedded status change workflow has been added to the work order applications. The precedence relationships can be defined between work orders, activities and tasks. Flow control can then be optionally set in either the job plan or work order applications to govern the status change, rules in a hierarchy and its network of records. Records under flow control are set into progress when their procedures are complete, improving the timelessness of the ownership of eligible tasks, for example, for notification purposes. Now the records in the branch of a hierarchy that are complete roll the completion up to the parent of that branch, moving progress to the next eligible phase of the project. Records with uncompleted procedures may not be manually set into records progress, preventing the user from inadvertently starting tasks that are not required or that are not ready. Now we'll look into extended attributes with service requests. Following is the list briefly that describes new capabilities related to service requests. That is, first one is self-service. Use of extended attributes with the self-service applications can greatly increase the quality of the information captured from the self-service user by presenting a set of questions related to the issue being reported. The second is service desk power applications. When using a service request power application, you can drive the operator to consistently ask the appropriate questions and capture information in extended attributes that may help resolve the particular issue. Now the self-service users can create service requests as shown in this figure. So you can see in this figure that how the service requests are been created by asking the attributes or questions that are presented according to the classification applied. So that's it for this session. Next we'll look into next session. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.